Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to take a look at Mithun, a leading firm in sustainable design and innovation in architecture. Stay with us to learn more about their incredible projects and design philosophy. Founded in 1949 in Seattle, Washington, Mithun has been at the forefront of sustainable design. The firm is known for its designs that are environmentally friendly and beneficial to local communities. Mithun believes that good design should not only be beautiful, but also respectful of the environment.
Believe me! Believe me!
The firm utilizes green design principles and advanced technologies in all its projects to ensure energy efficiency and reduce environmental impact. The Sustainability Treehouse, designed by Mithun, is an educational facility located in Mount Hope, West Virginia. It is a model of sustainable architecture, blending seamlessly with its forest surroundings and emphasizing ecological education. Vertical design. The 125-foot steel structure minimizes site disturbance, providing panoramic views of the forest canopy and ground. Sustainable systems. It features photovoltaic panels, wind turbines, and a water collection and filtration system, achieving net zero energy and water usage. Interactive exhibits. Indoor and outdoor platforms offer immersive educational experiences about sustainable design and ecology. Natural integration. The design relies on natural cooling and forest foliage for shading, enhancing energy efficiency. Targeted to meet the Living Building Challenge. Emphasizes minimal resource use and environmental impact through innovative design.
Wake up. It's time to see the ugly inside of this project.
While the Sustainability Treehouse boasts many strengths, several critical weaknesses could classify it as a potential disaster. Extremely high costs. Advanced technologies and sustainable materials significantly elevate construction and maintenance expenses, making the project economically unsustainable for broader applications. Maintenance challenges. Sustainable systems like solar panels and wind turbines require regular, specialized maintenance, demanding substantial time and financial resources. Limited accessibility. The vertical design may impede access for individuals with disabilities or mobility issues, limiting public usability. Environmental sensitivity. Located in natural areas, the structure is vulnerable to environmental hazards like wildfires and storms. Questionable long-term sustainability. Despite its sustainability goals, the extensive use of resources and complex technologies may introduce unforeseen environmental impacts over time. Although the Sustainability Treehouse exemplifies innovative and sustainable architecture, its economic, maintenance, accessibility, and environmental challenges could render it a problematic model, complicating broader implementation and potentially leading to significant issues.
What do you think?